Kels from Kels Crafts. Welcome back if you've been before, and hi, this is your first time. Today I've got something a bit different. I've never had one of these before, so it's all new. It is a themed cross stitch mystery box from the Spinneryfield Stitchery. I got on this from Instagram, so if you put the Spinneryfield Stitchery in Instagram, yeah, she does some wonderful stuff. And I've also got a candle lit for anybody that needs thoughts, prayers, or just positivity. You know, I always got my candle, but we will move it again out. So, I can't wait, I'm so excited. Yeah, she says she does a January themed cross stitch mystery. Get them while you can, because I'm not sure if she's going to be doing any more this year. She has got a few of the winter ones left, I think, which is a winter themed cross stitch, but I went for the January one. She was going to do more. I was thinking of actually carrying on if it was any good, but you never know. I think she's going on maternity leave or something, she put. So this is it, and it's all recyclable. So your wrapping paper is recyclable. Everything that she wraps it in is recyclable. So, sorry, I got coffee. I've just come from getting some bread. And it says, what does that say? Hang on. I don't want to ruin that sticker if I can help it. I like stickers. Oh, happy post. I was reading it upside down. No wonder I couldn't read it. And it says the Spinneryfield. If you want to read how it was. Oh, wow. So we have Little Light Stitchery. Just keep stitching. Oh, look at that. These are, I'll show you. It's a little pin, which I quite like these, because when I'm working, and I said to Grant I need to get some pinned ones of these, because when I'm working on, let me show you, that one, right, I don't have a frame, so this one, where's my pin, because I'm working in hand. When I have the magnet ones, because I'm flopping them around in my hand, I tend to flick the magnet off. So these would be quite handy, because you wouldn't be able to flick these off when I'm working on with them in hand. Or if you didn't want to put it on hand, again, you could attach it to your bag and have that on the side. Just put your needle on there. So I think that's quite look quite nice on that bag as well. So yes, I really like that. Let me get the gump out and then we'll have a look what else is in there. So it says 2 little lights, bespoke lampshades and lampshade making workshop. What's that? I think it's because the company that she does it through is so shop, is it? What's it called? Hang on, let me look. I should have got it up, shouldn't I, ready? And so to shop. So and A-N-D, so, S-O, 2 T-O, shop, the indie marketplace. She goes through that, and there's loads and loads and loads. I never knew about it before, but I'm going to be checking it out later. And there's all different crafty people on there. The Wool Monty 2020. Oh my God, look at that wool. I'm only just getting into that. The trouble is, that's in Sheffield. So if you live by Sheffield, there's a Wool Monty 2021 coming at the Flies Arena. On the day, it's day tickets are £8, weekends for £14. Probably a good job I don't live there, because I'm only just getting into knitting. And what have we got here? Today is a new day. I think this could be a pattern, do you think? Hang on, let me just, I don't want to be showing you things I shouldn't show you, so. Right, so that's that. Right, so they can we'll look at them at the end then. I've got all the, so, oh, we've got a little mini hoop. I haven't got a small one like that. that'd be quite nice, and that'd be quite nice to frame it after. I've got a penguin that would look lovely in that, and I was thinking I need to get a little tiny frame. So, and if you haven't seen these, all you do is undo the bolt, yeah, there, and it comes apart. I hope you see what I'm doing, yeah, like that. Put your material round, hook it in, and if you turn that or that, whichever, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can turn that one, or you can just turn that and that will tighten it. And that will tighten it, see, and the hoop doesn't come out then. And it's good quality as well, it's not a cheap one, which is nice. We've got that. Ooh, tote bag. Never got enough tote bags. Something do better. No, better do. Hang on. Can you read it to the camera? I can't read that. I need my other glasses to read that. Something better, I think. See, all that, and because I'm dyslexic, because they're all crosses, I can't, they're all merging into one. So put down below what it says for me, please. I don't very often have problems with my dyslexia. You know, you get to learn how to adjust things, but when it's something like this, yeah, I have difficulty. So I don't know, something better, I think, do better, is it? But I don't know, So let me know, but I like the colour, so I will be definitely using that. I love that. And it says choose happy. Ah, we always choose happy, that's nice, from the Little Light Stitchery, that's nice. And then we got some fabric. Never had a blue fabric. I've not stitched on dark fabric yet. I've only stitched on a lightish fabric, or my own dyed, or like on a dark cream. So I think these are probably our patterns, because I think you get some patterns. So let me have a look. So we've got one that's called New Beginnings. I can't show you because it's a pattern, see? Yeah, that one. And it's 3 colours. I'll show you that bit. So it's a nice little one. But that would be, it says, trust in the magic of new beginnings. That's, I can tell you what it says. So it's all words. So that's that one. So that would be an easy thing. Now that's Create Nostalgia, the Home of Mary Jane Collections. That's another. Ooh. That's in mould. Sometimes we go past mould. That might be worth looking at then. And then we have so then we've got Fiona Baker must design these because she's given me a coupon code which I can't show yet. Right, we've got Today is a New Day, which is like sunflower. That's the colours, so I can't show you. So we've got, that is nice. That would go in that hoop actually. That would go in that hoop really nicely. What's the colours? I'll have to look, see if I've got them colours. And then we've got another one. Guys, it's a hot air balloon. Up, Up and Away by Fiona Baker. Ha! And you all know I love my hot air balloons. So there's that one. So we've got 1, 2, 3 small patterns. We have Just Keep Stitching pin, which is beautiful. We have a hoop. Let me have a look at these patterns to see which one would go on the blue fabric. That wouldn't work. I think it would have to be the sunflower one. I think it would be the sunflower that I would do on that one. So I think the hot air balloon one, yeah, would be too big for that one. So 3 patterns, yeah, that hoop, some lovely dark blue, 14. Yeah, that looks, oh, against the white. That looks like 14 count Ada, which is just up my street, and a lovely tote bag. Now that cost me, I will tell you the price because I think it gives you, some people don't give you the price, but I will, because I think that'll help you decide whether you want to go ahead and get it. It's £30. So it's £30 for the themed cross stitch mystery box. So do you think it's worth £30? Let me know in the comments. So you've got 3 small patterns, a hoop, a pin, a tote bag, and a little bit of fabric. Let me know. Do you think you'd pay £30 for that or not? I'm not going to say what I think, because that'll influence you on what you think. So, oh, I've got a lovely cup of coffee. Just come out the machine. But I will be using that straight away. So yes, as I say, that is my Spinneryfield Stitchery themed cross stitch mystery box. So I know that was quick and easy and short, or whatever you want to call it. So if you haven't subscribed and you fancy staying and looking at things like this, I'd love to have you on board. The old buttons down below. Notification buttons there by the side to let you know when I go live, which is a Sunday, and when I put up videos, which is a few times a week. Then all my social medias down below if you want to have a chat. My Patreon links there if you want to help the channel, and my Happy Mail, when I send out Happy Mail forms, are down there. And also the comments. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of this box? Would you buy it for £30? Do you think it's a bargain? Do you think it's about right price, or what? Patterns are nice. I wish I could have showed. I wish they'd had a little picture of them done, and then I could have showed you. That would have been nice. That's the only thing I think about it, that they could have had a little photo with the pattern, so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. But maybe that's to give you more incentive to get out there and get the stuff and get them made and see what they like yourself. I don't know. So with that said, all that's left for me to say is take care, look after yourself, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you all. Bye.